Hey everyone, so if you're working out at home right now and just feeling kind of frustrated because your physique isn't looking as balanced as you'd like, you are absolutely in the right place. Today we're breaking down the ultimate zero-equipment guide to forging powerful, veiny forearms. We're going to take all the guesswork out of forearm training and show you exactly how to build that iron grip literally right from the comfort of your own living room.
Think about it. Are your forearms failing your grip? Honestly, it's a real issue that derails so many fitness journeys. People spend all this time obsessing over their biceps, doing endless curls in the mirror, but they completely ignore the lower half of their arms. And guys, that is a massive mistake. Your grip strength is the absolute foundation of almost everything else you do. If your forearms are weak, your grip is going to fail way before your major muscle groups even break a sweat.
I love this quote from the source material. True, raw power lives in the forearms. And it's so true, right? You can have these massive, towering biceps, but without strong forearms to match, any physique is fundamentally incomplete. Think of your forearms as the vital bridge between your body and whatever you're trying to lift, pull, or just hold on to. Without them, you're leaving massive amounts of strength and aesthetic potential right on the table.
So, what's the timeline to actually fix this? 30 days. Yep, in exactly 30 days of following this strict, completely zero-equipment routine, you will see a total transformation. We are talking about undeniable improvements in your grip strength, and those highly sought-after visible veins finally popping through. But there's a catch. You have to follow the steps exactly as they're laid out.
Okay, Section 1, the warm-up, preparing the steel.
Because your forearm and wrist muscles are actually incredibly sensitive, we absolutely have to prep them before adding any resistance. Jumping straight into heavy loads is a fast track to a serious injury. So let's break down the mechanics. It's super straightforward, but highly effective. Step 1, just extend your arms perfectly straight out in front of you. Step 2, rotate your wrists slowly, with control, in a clockwise direction for exactly 20 seconds. And then Step 3, just reverse it. Go anti-clockwise for another 20 seconds. The timing here is very deliberate.
Why do this? Well, this simple rotational movement directly increases blood flow and safely activates those sensitive muscle fibers. It basically wakes up the entire forearm ecosystem, priming them for the intense, heavy exercises that are about to follow. Think of it like a shield, protecting your wrists from the strain of the bodyweight training.
Moving right along to Section 2, floor power, fist push-ups.
Take a look at the difference in the mechanics here. A normal push-up uses your flat palms, which comfortably disperses your body weight across a nice wide surface. But a fist push-up, it completely changes the game by forcing you to balance entirely on your knuckles. That massive shift in weight distribution and alignment is exactly what builds incredible foundational wrist and forearm strength.
Let's lay out exactly how to do this on your living room floor. Get into your standard plank position, but firmly clench those fists so your knuckles are driving right into the ground. Now lower your body down very slowly, maintaining tight control. If you're a beginner, your target is 8 to 10 solid reps, and you want to complete a total volume of 3 sets. It's going to feel pretty unstable at first, but honestly, that is exactly how the muscle adapts and grows.
Next up, Section 3, grip activation, the towel twist. I really love this movement because it proves you absolutely need zero gym equipment to get massive gains at home. All you need is a standard household towel. So Step 1, grab your towel with both hands relatively close together. Step 2, twist forcefully in opposite directions. Literally imagine you're aggressively wringing out water from a soaking wet towel. And Step 3, and this is the vital part, hold that extreme high tension. Don't just twist and let go.
Locking into that isometric squeeze immediately activates those forearm muscles and rapidly improves your crushing grip strength. You really want to maintain this intense hold for 30 solid seconds. Relax, take a breath, and then repeat for a total volume of 3 sets. If you're doing this right, it will instantly fire up those muscle fibers and make your forearms feel like they're made of absolute stone.
All right, Section 4, level up, finger push-ups.
Now it's time to shift our focus to the most challenging phase of the workout. But hey, to prevent injury, you do not have to jump straight to the floor. Anyone can start with the beginner variation, incline finger lifts on the sturdy edge of a table or a chair. Once you master the incline and your digits feel conditioned, you just gradually lower the angle until you graduate to the advanced level, full finger push-ups right there on the floor.
There's also this fantastic alternative technique to help bridge the gap between beginner and advanced. Step 1, from a lowered push-up position, explosively lift your body weight up using only your fingers. Step 2, carefully lower yourself back down onto your flat palms to absorb the negative phase. Alternating between your fingers and palms like this, it builds unparalleled dynamic stability in your wrists without overloading those finger joints too quickly.
This right here is absolutely the most powerful way to build what we call forearm steel. And because it's so intensely demanding on the nervous system and the tiny muscles in your hands, the rep scheme drops significantly. Your target here is just 5 to 8 really high-quality reps. Complete 3 total sets. That specific lower rep range is exactly what's needed to forge this elite, advanced level of forearm strength.
Okay, Section 5. The finisher. The dead hang.
We are nearing the end of the physical routine, and it's time to completely max out your forearms. Find a pull-up bar, a sturdy rod, or even a deep door frame. Grab it, pick your feet off the ground, and just let your body weight hang. You aren't doing pull-ups here. You are literally just letting gravity and your own body weight do all the heavy lifting, pulling down on your grip while you just fight to stay suspended.
This specific finisher takes your muscular stamina to a whole new level. You want to lock in and hold this hanging position for 20 to 30 seconds for a total of 3 sets. And let me warn you, your forearms are going to be screaming at you. You have to actively embrace the burn here. Pushing through that deep, fiery burn for those 20 to 30 seconds is exactly where the actual muscular growth and vein expansion happens. Finally, Section 6, the 30-day consistency challenge.
So we've covered the mechanical execution, right? Now let's talk about absolute mental commitment. The crucial point of this entire strategy really boils down to one number, 10. This comprehensive routine we just walked through, it demands a time commitment of just 10 minutes a day. That is it, 10 minutes. Literally everyone watching this has 10 spare minutes they can dedicate to leveling up their fitness.
But here is the thing, those 10 minutes have to happen every single day. Consistency is the only actual secret to visible veins and maximum raw strength. Skipping days just equals 0 results. It completely halts the adaptation process. But if you maintain strict, daily consistency for 30 days, you are absolutely guaranteed to build stronger, highly defined forearms that truly complete your physique.
So, I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. Do you have the discipline to actually conquer this 30-day challenge? Just 10 minutes a day. 0 equipment, massive results. And hey, once you finally forge that iron grip, what body part should we dive into and train next? Let me know. Get out there, start wringing out those towels, stick to the routine, and I will see you in the